Okay, we'll continue with this. Fine. Complete. Did you complete this? Did you find the answers? Just came. Okay. Complete this 15, 8, 17. Sin B cos. Excuse me. Okay. Tell me the value there. What is sin B? Fourth question. Sin B. B is in the first diagram. Sin is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay. 12 by 30. Last one. Tan C. Where is tan? No, no, not tan C. Tan C, I think I did. What is cosec C? Cosec formula? Hypotenuse by perpendicular. Where is hypotenuse? Which is hypotenuse? C is in the second triangle, right? 20. Perpendicular mean? Yes, perpendicular meaning is opposite. 20 by 12. It goes in 4 times table. 4 5s are 4, 3s. So till your diagram, they will give you diagram question. Now diagram is done without diagram. How to solve questions without diagram? Look here. Question number 5 to question number 16. It's the same here. Similar, almost all the similar. Look at question 5 up to 16. So I'll only do specific question. First question, sin theta is equals to 1 by root 2. What do you need to find here? Find other trigonometric ratios. If you take other trigonometry ratios, formulas, what is the common thing we have? For any trigonometry ratio, what are the formulas for sine, cos, tan, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse? Everything is related to only these three, right? Now, whenever they give sine theta and tell you to find other values, sine theta, what is sine formula? Yes, write it. Write it as P by H. Write this equation. What is P value? 1. What is it? Root 2. What is missing? P is given, H is given, B is missing. So there's only one formula we use. What is that? H square is equals to B square. What is H square? Root 2 the whole square. What is P? 1 square. And B square? We need to find. Root 2, 2 gets cancelled. This 1 goes to the other. What is B? Root 1 is 1, right? So we got all the values. P is equal to 1, then B is equal to 1 and H is equals to root 2. Is this clear? Okay. Any question, just use this concept. H square is equals to P square plus B square. Next, we need to find other trigonometry ratios. They've asked us other trigonometry. Total we have 6 trigonometry ratios. So what is missing here? What is cos? Sine is given. Sine, cos, tan, cot. Sec is missing and sec. What is sine for cos formula? Okay, what is base? 1 by root. What is tan? 1 by 1 is 1. Cot, if tan is 1, very good. Cot is also 1. Cos sec, yes, cosec will be, sec will be reciprocal of cos. So it is root 2 by 1 is root 2. What about cosec? Yes, cosec will be reciprocal of which one? Sine. If sine is 1 by root 2, cosec will be root. So use sine formula, replace sine by perpendicular by hypotenuse. Then we use only one formula, that is p h square is equals to p square by b square whenever diagram is not given. Okay, next question. Sine is done. What is tan? Sixth question. What is tan there? Formula. First, what did I tell you? Sixth question. Perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular? Base 15. What is missing? Okay, what's the formula we use? P square plus b square. H square is missing, keep it as it is. What is p square? H square plus, yeah, h is equals to square root of 64 plus 225. So I'll try the answer. That will be square root of 289. Square root of 289 is 7. So p is 8, b is 15. What is h value? Is 30. Did we get all three values? That's it. If you find all three values, other things what they've asked us to find, other trigonometrical ratio, you can find it. Clear? Use the formula. I'll erase this. Tell me the next one. See, seventh one, what is left? Cosec theta is how much? Seventh one. Root? Yes. Hypotenuse, but only hypotenuse is given. If perpendicular is not given, what do you take? What do you take the denominator? 1. So what is perpendicular value? Base is missing. What is hypotenuse? Root 10. Apply this in the formula, you'll get base value, right? You'll get the value of base. You find other trigonometry ratios. Same goes with the eighth question. Look at 8. 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you see? 11. 11th one, I'll do it. See, previous question, we didn't have any value before the sine formula. Now, in 11th question, 13 sine theta is equal to 5. Before solving, we need to shift this sign, bring this 13 down. What do you get? 5 by? What is sine? Okay, perpendicular is 5. Hypotenuse is, base is missing. What is hypotenuse? Sorry, not 15, 13. 13. If you apply Pythagoras theorem, what's the value? 13 square is equals to, what is p square? 5 square plus, what is base? Base is missing, right? Keep b square as it is. Shift this. 13 square is 169 minus 5 square is 25. What is b value then? Square root of 140. That is, now we got the values. 5, 12, 13. So I'll repeat. First bring 13 down. Shift this 13 down. Because before sign we shouldn't have any number. Only then you can convert the formula perpendicular hypotenuse. Then use this main formula. H square is equals to p square plus b square. Substitute the values. And no need to draw any diagram for this. Okay, we found b. What are we supposed to do here? Find the value of 5 sine theta 2 cos theta divided by tan theta. Let us try this. Okay, what is 5 sine theta? Sine is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse cos, and tan is equals to perpendicular by base. Now substitute all the formulas, all the values. I have written the formula. Substitute the values. Tell me the values. Yeah, tell me the values here. 5 into 5. Next, 5 divided by 12. If you open the bracket, 25 by 13 minus. Okay, what is 25 and 24 if you take LCM? 13 will remain as it is. 13 will remain as it is, right? Okay, 13 will remain as it is. 25 minus 24. LCM. Denominator is same, right? So division, this 5 by 12. How can I write 5 by 12? Can I multiply it? I can write it as 12 into 12 by 5. What is 25 minus 24? 1 by 13 into 12. Yes, 5. 12 divided by 13 into 5 is 65. This is the answer. Understood 11th what? Completed. Try one question. Try the 11th. Completed? Okay. So that's it. This is how you solve these type of questions. Clear? You see any question up to 16, it's the same. There. Look at 14th one. How do you solve 14th one? 3 tan 4 is given. How do you convert this 3 tan 4? You have to shift, 4 by 3. Then we use perpendicular by base, right? Hypotenuse missing, completed. See, 15th one you can ignore. 16th one. Tell me the 16th one. One minute. One minute. Okay, 4 gets shifted, right? So it becomes cot 3 by. Okay. First find the value. Cot is what? What's the formula for cot? Hypotenuse by. Sorry. Base by hypotenuse. Base by perpendicular. What is missing? Use the formula. You'll get hypotenuse as 5. Okay. You'll get it as 5 and you have to substitute here. And you have to check. You have to check left hand side, right hand side, there's a value given. Left hand side, when you substitute, sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. 4 by 5 minus 3 by 5 divided by 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Here, if you solve this, what's the answer you should get? Right hand side we have 1 by 7. So left hand also you should get 1 by 7. Clear? Okay. That's it. Other questions they won't ask. Any one question they might ask from this. Okay. Other questions are not that relevant. Next, we'll start with question 20b. For 20b, you should know all the values there. You should know all the values. Okay. Let me use your first one is very simple. First main, last one. Look at first main, last question. Cos 90. What are the values? Cos 90 degree plus cos square 45 degree into sin 30 into tan 45 degrees. Are all these values there in the table? What is cos 90? 1 or 0? Where is cos 90? 0. How confidently you are giving wrong answers. Cos 90 is 0. Cos square 45. Cos 45 and sin 45 is same, right? Yes. 0 of 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 square is given. If it is square, when we need to square it. Multiplied by what is sin 30? Of 1 by 2. What is tan 45? 1. So 0, just ignore it. Just ignore this 0. Root and root will get cancelled. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. What's the answer? By 4. Understood? Yeah, tell me the next one. We'll do second main. They're given question like second main, sixth one. Even other things are same there. You can just write second main, sixth one. Sin square 45 plus cos square 45 degree divided by. Okay, what is sin 45? 1 by root 2 the whole square. But cos 45 is also tan 60 root 3. What is root 3? The whole square, right? So square and square gets cancelled. What is left? 1 by 2 plus 3. What is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2? Take 2. 2 is the LCM. 1 plus 1 is 2 by 2 divided by 3. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, right? What's the answer? 1 by 1 by 3. Done? Okay, next. Try one question. Third main, second one. Other things you can ignore. Third main, second, and one question they'll ask you from sixth main. Okay, previous question they've asked. Fine. Another 10 minutes. We'll end the class. Try the third main, second one, dear. What is given third main, second one? 5 into what is sine 30? Square is given, right? And that's only for sine. Remember, it is not for 5. Don't put 5 square here. It is 5 into root. Next. Cos square 45. How much is cos 45? Whole square. Minus. What is tan square 30? 1 by whole. What is sine 30 into 1 by 2 into cos 30 is plus tan 45 1. Try this, complete it. I'll give you 2 minutes time. LCM reduce it. Yes, done. Tell me the calculation. Yeah. What is 1 to the power of 2? 1 by, next, next. 4 into 1 by 3 is 4 by 3, right? This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. What is left? Root 3 by 2 plus 1. Next. 5 by 4. You take LCM. So you have 5 by 4. 5 by 4 plus 1 by 2 minus 4 by 3 divided by root 3 by 2. If you take LCM, what do you get? We get it like this. Right hand side. And numerator, what do you get? What's the LCM? Yeah. 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 3s are. 2 1 3. What's the LCM? Is it 12? LCM is 12? Okay. How many times it goes? How many? 4. So 4 5s are 20. 2, how many times 2 goes? 6 are into 3. No, now come 4 times. 12 goes 3 times, right? So what is 5 3? 5 3s are 15. LCM there. You don't know how to take LCM? Okay, this one 2 into multiply plus 6, right? Next 3 into 4 4s are divided by root 3 plus 2 divided by what's the value? 15 plus 16 is what? 15 plus 6 is 21. 15 plus 6. 21 minus 16 divided by 12, right? Yeah, what is 21 minus 16? 5 divided by 12. This I can write it as reciprocate 2 into 3 divided 3. 2 ones are 2 six are. So the answer is 5 divided by 6 into root 3 plus 2. Clear? Yeah, try it. Yeah, copy this completely. Completed. Fair enough. One substitution. We'll do one substitution question. Any doubts in this? Okay, substitution is they'll give you a value there. They'll give you a value. You have to substitute that value. For example, look at 11th question. What is given? Cos 3. What is a value given? You have to write it in bracket. Plus 2 into cos 4 into divided by next. Yes. What is cos 3 into 15? Cos 45. What is cos 4 into 15? 2 cos 60 degrees. Right? Then sine 45 plus 2 sine 60. Will you substitute all the values? You'll get 45 plus 2 into sine value. Right? Divided by 2 into sine. Try this. And this is the 11th question. 11th one. Yes. What's the answer there? What did you get? Okay. 1 by root 2 plus 2 into root 3 by 2. Root 2 gets cancelled, right? So what is left? 1 by root 2 plus divided by. Okay. See, whenever you have root 2 is irrational number, you have to factorize this. Okay. So whenever you have 1 by root 2, multiply root 2 on both numerator and divide by denominator. There. So you get root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2. Why do we need to convert it? Because it is easy to take LCM. Fine. So this 1 by root 2, what happens to 1 by root 2 after conversion? It becomes root 2 by 2 plus 1. In the same way, what about this one? Root 2 by plus root. When you take LCM, what do you get? Root 2 plus LCM. When you take LCM, into how many times it goes? 2 is the LCM. How many times 1 goes? Into 2. So root 2 plus 2. Here, into 1 here. Yes. So 2 into root 3 is 2 root. Can you see these two gets cancelled? Right? Or look here, I'll explain. Root 2 plus 2 divided by 2 into, you can write it as 2 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3. Root 2 gets cancelled. What is left? Root 2 plus 2 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3. You complete it till here. There is one more step. I'll teach that tomorrow. Okay, along with that, there's one more step. I'll teach it tomorrow. Complete it. 2 root 2. Okay, anyway, record and upload. You complete it. Yeah. Done? Max only these type of other things you just ignore. Tomorrow we'll start with 20C.